Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two CRM platform, which is Zoho and Instantly. So to get started with the quick overview and the strength and weakness of this platform to help you make an informed decision on which of these CRM platform will be a better option for you. So to get started with the quick overview, Zoho is a full-featured, highly customizable CRM platform suitable for businesses of all sizes. It supports sales automation, analytics, multi-channel engagement, and integrates deeply with Zoho's ecosystem of tools. Then on the other side, Instantly is a specialized sales outreach tools designed primarily for cold mails, campaign, and lead generation ideas for agencies and sales teams focused on onboarding prospecting. Now, talking about the strength and weakness of Zoho CRM. So, revealing the strength, Zoho has a end-to-end encrypted end-to-end CRM with workflow automation and analytics. It also integrates with emails, social medias, and telephoning. It is customizable for dashboard and AI-powered sales insight. Now, talking about the downside for the Zoho CRM, it can be overwhelming for small teams or new users. It also requires setup times to unlock full potential. It also lacks support responsiveness depend on your plan. Now, talking about Instantly, on the other side, analyzing the strength and the weakness. So to start with the strength, it has an unlimited email account and sending volume. It also has a start inbox rotation and a deliverability tools. It also has inbuilt in leads database and campaign analytics. Now, talking about the downside of this platform, not all full CRM limited to onboarding email use cases. No built-in deals or pipeline tracking. It also has a limited integration with broader business tools. Now, talking about the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So, if you want a comprehensive CRM platform that supports both inbound and outbound sales, marketing automation, and a full customer life cycle management, just go for Zoho. Then on the other side, if your main focus is on cold outreach at scales and you want a specialized tools for email prospecting without the complexity of a full CRM, just go for Instantly. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of the platform will be your best option. Thanks.